Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to talk to you about the new ColourPop lip formula. I absolutely love it. So it is the Glossy Lip Stain formula and it is so interesting to me. I really wanted to make a video talking about it because I think these are so cool. Please make sure to like and subscribe if you haven't already. It would mean so much to me. Let's get into the video. So I picked up 3 different shades to just test out. 3 shades I have to show to you is Roll Out, Ice Pop and Twice Shy. So these are the colors that I picked. I went for like a red, a sort of a nudie brown and then a mauvey pink shade. I'm going to show you how each one looks on the lips. For today's look I'm going to be using the ColourPop Glossy Lip Stain in Twice Shy. I have just been absolutely loving this formula.
Or if what hurts me don't seem too real, they lift me up through thick and thin until I lift my chin and give them a grin. A melancholy Sunday.
And I love these. I tested them out once already. Fabulous, absolutely incredible. So I definitely want to use these today. This is in the shade Ice Pop.
'Cause I'm so blue, but I'm imbued with all I do. Ba ba da ba da ba 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 ba. Fui 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 fa 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 fa. When it's a foggy day, I call my angels to help me play. When there's nothing to say,
yeah, this formula is really cool. It's very comfortable on the lips. It kind of just feels like I've just got a little bit of water tapped on my lips and that's it. This has almost completely dried down now and it's been about 5 minutes. And it has a really nice glossy sheen to it. Extremely comfortable. I would have no idea that there's really anything on my lips. The longevity of these things is pretty good. I have eaten meals with them and they have lasted pretty decently. The way they wear off is also really good. It doesn't get too patchy, but of course it is a little bit patchy, but not too bad at all. So that is my review of the ColourPop Glossy Lip Stains. I hope you found it really interesting. If you want to know how I did this eyeshadow look, I will have it linked below. It was using the e.l.f. Cosmetics Bite Size Eyeshadow Palette in Pumpkin Pie. So cute, we love a bronzy moment. So I'll make sure to leave that linked below. So thank you so much for watching, have a wonderful day and I will see you in my next video. Bye!
It's a foggy day, I call my angels to help me play. When there's nothing to say,